the main street and Gottagutto. We had to see the girls, we had to go to commercial street, see the girls, we had to go to Brigade Road. Other meeting point, sorry, I have to tell the truth, I have to be transparent. So now I have become a 3HP head of the family, so I don't want to talk about it. So all my friends who are here, a lot of friends are here. Every time I come here, I try to meet them. Central Bank MPPC Mohan Avaru, a very, very, very close family to me. So this is my family. This is about 3 BHK. First of all, let me thank Arun Vishwa and of course our Sri Ganesh, the director. As like he said, is a sweet-hearted dictator. And Arun Vishwa, thank you for selecting me for this project. And initially I had few doubts about whether everybody Kalasunda, Leda, and Guttaglila. How I am mixing all the language. So I feel everybody will have a dream. So all of you here, like Siddharth asked you, we would have seen failures in life. Many failures. Failures is just a stepping stone to success. You would have heard that proverb many a time. But in my life, I've seen many failures. I'm here, standing here, as you may call me Supreme Star, Sharat Kumar, 168 films, but I have seen the deepest of troubles I've been into, and I've again risen back. If I had a house in 45 Palace Road, if I retained it today, I could have sold it for minimum 45 to 50 crores. But that was not life. I wanted to see life the way I wanted to see it. It is my earning that I spent, not my father's money or my mother's money. So 3 BHK, I should of course thank Amrut for lovely music and Siddharth having some songs, and Devyani, Meeta and Chaitra and Sidhu. It's all great working with all of you, and it was a great experience. And only one thing we like to say as a team of 3 BHK, Prabhu, Aarti, Shanti and Aishu, that we as a family, we try to give the best. Everyone here would like to build a home, a roof above the head. Even if you don't have anything to eat, you don't have clothes to wear, you can lock your house and stay at home. That's the So if that dream, you dream big. You'll never be beaten when your efforts are there. Fight very hard. I have fallen from that height. You might think I'm exaggerating. I fell from that height. I broke my neck. There was a bone taken from my hip, placed in my C4, C5, and there are 2 plates and 4 screws. That means I'm basically and truly an Iron Man. I lost my voice. My right vocal cord is paralyzed, but I still scream and shout. So the doctor told me not to ride a cycle, not to ride a bike, not to even drive a car, not to look back and drive because my neck will become stiff. But I've done it all. And then I jumped at 10 feet higher than that from a movie called Mai to take the fear out of that. So failure is just nothing. It is just an experience that you'll go through in life. I've fallen many times. I've lost elections, bounced back, won elections. And still I'm here because the love of all of you here and everybody in Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala and all over. And I have the opportunity to finish a Hindi film with Neetuji and Kapil Sharma, which was shot in Shimla recently. So, true to say, I'm a pan-India artist like Siddharth. And this film, like how Siddharth said, why you should see this film? It is family. At the end of the day, all of us can have houses. But to have a home is important. Siddharth, in many places, many of his interviews have very clearly said, but are they happy? Very small house, they'll be very happy. Rented house, they'll be happy. But when you build a house, make it a home. We have, as family in 3 BHK, had made it a home. Whatever ups and downs that came in our life, came in our path, all the struggles, we stuck together. We stuck together for the only ambition of the father that I wanted to build a home, and they all stood with me to build a home, even when I became 8 years old. The only problem that we had in this film is they wanted to make me look old, so they have made me look old. So Arun Vishwa told me you have to look old. I said, I'm actually 71 years old. Why do you want to make older than that? I am old. So at 71, you are still making me older. I don't know why, but still. I said they wanted my hair to be bald. Maybe that is the idea that Arun has got. I don't know why. He wants to see me bald. It's okay. Even like Siddharth said, Siddharth, even after 25 years, I'll still act with you. So then the press will ask, how can you live 150 years? The mantra and then I'll tell them later. When Baba can live for 4,000 years, Sharat Kumar and Siddharth can live for 150 years. So that is what I'm saying. So we don't have much time, but I'd love to spend a lot more time with you guys. And we all have a flight to catch. And Bengaluru, I've been living here. I've seen everything in my life. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೈಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ಲಿ ಸೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಸೇ Bangalore gave me that stage to go up in life. All the failures I faced in Bangalore, and I've seen everything, and all over the country, we have no languages for films. Language is never there for films. We are all one family. The film fraternity is one. We as Indians can work anywhere in the country and be proud of your own mother tongue and be proud of other languages also. So I love you all, and thank you for Dhananjayan, thank you for Hemant Rao, and thank you Kayadi Yusuf Kabini, for Karthik and the compare. I don't know your name, and you're beautiful, because that is my habit, I have to say it. I can't stop saying all that. That's only a compliment. Don't
Thank
take
you,
it as
sir.
a line.
Absolutely not.
You only told me to say that, didn't you? Hey Siddharth, నువ్వే ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ? Hey Chapra,
It's family, it's family.
he only told me to go tell her she's looking beautiful.
I hope it's true.
Shanti, I'm sorry. I never said. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and affection. And Nexus Mall for giving us this place. And all the love and affection for all the media and the press media. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank